Hi and welcome to Bake with Rasaku, and today we're going to show you how to make this fun and cute looking dessert by using Rasaku coconut cooking oil. So here's the ingredient. Okay, we're gonna start with the cake. Basically, add all of the ingredients and beat it. You know what? By using Rasaku coconut cooking oil, it will give a subtle coconut taste, but not too overpowering like other coconut oil. But yeah, this will make your cake become extra moist and really nice, have a good taste. For the ingredient B, which is the chocolate pudding. It is so easy, just 2 ingredients, chocolate and coconut oil. Mix it together and microwave it until it's fully melt. Next is ingredient C, which is buttercream. Also the same as ingredient B, have 2 ingredients, which is the butter and condensed milk. Just beat it until it becomes pale and fluffy. Once it's become pale and fluffy, portion it about 50 grams of the cream and color it. You can use any choices of coloring, it's up to you. Alright, once our cake is done, divide it into 2 and smear the buttercream. After you smear it, sandwich it and divide it into 6 equal pieces. Pop the popsicle stick and freeze it. Make sure it's cold before you take it out. Okay, once it's cold, celup the popsicle inside the chocolate. Basically, it's done from now on. But girl, we are going to decorate it. Ada macam-macam warna pink, warna biru, warna orange, macam-macam. Love pun ada. So it's up to you nak dekor macam mana. Decorate ikut rasa-rasa. Jangan lupa Rasaku. So bye. Itu sahaja hari ini.